Now actually we want to know why discriminant whose value is b square minus 4ac always decide the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. To understand this concept, you can see the general form or standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form. So if I proceed to tell you that why discriminant is b square minus 4ac is the deciding value of the nature of roots. It is like this. If a is common, then we left with x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equals to 0. We can say x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equals to 0. This become. Now if I write this x as x whole square plus this b by a into x, I am writing b by 2a into x as 2 into, I am writing here 2 into x into b by 2a. In the first I have multiplied 2 and here I have divided by 2. So ultimately this result is still bx upon a, because 2 can cancel this 2, plus c upon a is equals to 0. Now I am instructing you to add and subtract a value, that is the whole square of b upon 2a. So I am adding b upon 2a's whole square here and plus c upon a, and also I am subtracting the same value b upon 2a's whole square. By doing so, I can club these three terms, x square plus 2 into x into b upon 2a plus b upon 2a's whole square can be written as x plus b upon 2a whole square. And if I shift all remaining values in the right hand side, I will get b square upon 4a square minus c upon a, because this was b upon 2a's whole square. When it is squared and it is negative, when transferred become positive b square upon 4a square, and when c upon a is transferred, this become minus c upon a. Now x plus b upon 2a's whole square is equals to LCM of right hand side is 4a square. By doing so, we will calculate b square minus 4ac. If I remove this whole square, I will get to know the value of x plus b upon 2a become plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Because b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, so I put a root. I have taken plus minus because b square minus 4ac is not perfect square, so I have put a square root sign. 4 square is perfect square, so square root of 4 square is taken as 2a, plus minus because of square. So what happens, x plus b upon 2a equals to plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now if actually we want to find x, so we will shift this b upon 2a in the right hand side. So for this x equals to minus b upon 2a plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The 2a is the common LCM. I have taken 2a here. This become minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. Now very much clear from this relation that first value of x is, we can call first root alpha is equals to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, whereas the second root beta is equals to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now the question is b square minus 4ac is in the square root. If this value is what? 0, then this is 0, this is 0, both roots are equal. If discriminant is 0, both roots are equal. If discriminant is less than 0, means negative number, and we cannot find the square root of any negative number. So it has no real root. And if discriminant is greater than 0, then it has two separate real roots. Now we will take some examples to explain you using this formula.